Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management. Click on Financial. Go to Process. Go to Advance Payment and Receipt. Then to Supplier Advance. Click on PO Advances to Supplier. Click on Search. Search Supplier. Search All User and click on User. Search Purchase Order and select any option. Enter Purchase Order Number. Click on Search. Click on this year. This is the PO info. Supplier deposits and advances are funds paid by a business to a supplier before they have been earned.